Today I'm going to show you how to make those seamless infinite loop videos using Edimakor AI, the kind that play on and on with no visible beginning or end. Alright, let's get started. Step 1. Download HitPaw Edimakor. You'll need one tool, HitPaw Edimakor. If you don't have it yet, I've left the download link in the description below. Step 2. Create infinite loop video. We'll be using AI transition inside Edimakor. Just go to AI video, then choose AI transition. Now upload the same image as both your start frame and end frame. I'll use this picture as an example, but feel free to choose any image you like. Next, you'll need a prompt. To make it easier, I'm using ChatGPT. Simply upload your image there and ask it to write a prompt for an infinite zoom loop video. Copy that prompt, paste it back into Edimakor, choose your duration and resolution, and hit generate. And just like that, your infinite loop video is done. And you can see the ending flows perfectly back into the beginning because of the seamless transition between the start frame and the end frame. And that's it for today's video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.